We're very optimistic, and Mr. Harding, as you can understand, is very anxious, and he's been waiting for this for a long time, and he's happy that it's finally arrived. So once it's going to start, then it's going to get over, and we're going to make a lot of things a lot clearer than they have been up to date. The process has been difficult. What's even more difficult, obviously, is that Mr. Harding realizes that he's partly responsible for a very serious tragedy, and that weighs on him far more heavily than the trial. I mean, he's been living with that for 5 years, and it's a very difficult thing for somebody to live with. There's a lot of people who are going to be able, who have surely, like Mr. Harding, asked themselves the question, what if I'd done this, or what if I'd done that, or what if I'd done this? About 10 or 11 people that if they asked one question more, or given one more fact, or made one move to the right or to the left, this thing never would have happened. The basis of the trial is not technical at all. It's strictly a human problem, you know. In other words, the problem is what can be foreseen, reasonably foreseen, in the first instance, and the second instance is whether Mr. Harding's fault, because there is a degree of fault there's no question about that, whether his fault amounts to criminal negligence. You know, I mean, there's a difference between being negligent or being not doing the very best that you could possibly do and being criminally negligent. And that's really what this whole case is all about.